if this is you, let's say you never worked out. You've spent 20, 30 years just helping your kids or your family or taking care of sick or ill relatives. Now it's time to focus on you. And you wake up and you go, wow, I don't even know where to start. I don't even know what to do. It starts with baby steps. And I give you a lot of tips and tricks on how to get started. It's not rocket science. Move your body every day, eat a little bit cleaner, 80% clean, 20% perhaps not so much. Life is meant to be worth living and enjoying. And move your body. And then I think prayers has changed my life. I think it will help you too. So check out Abundantly Well, available on Amazon, and also Killer House. Nothing to mess around with. God wants us to be healthy so we can continue to do his good work. We can't do that if we're not feeling well, guys. So I give you an Abundantly Well. I give you simple prayers that you can say every night before you go to bed if you're like me, or all throughout the day. Take the book with you. And there's now an audio version. Yay! So check it out, Abundantly Well and Killer House, both available on Amazon.